We are photographers and videographers by trade. So that was how we thought, well, what can we do? You know, we're not construction workers, we're not restaurant owners. We make photos and we make videos.
Portrait photography just seemed like the obvious answer.
So many of their portraits, their heirlooms, their photos have been lost.
The property was completely lost. My whole neighborhood's gone. And I had lots of personal photographs there that, of course, are gone.
I think portraits in a lot of ways kind of are a snapshot of a family's history. That's kind of part of your memory, and if it's a photo that's hung in your house, you walk by it every day and you kind of remember that day, that time, and maybe that season of your life.
I think it's an important record of something we lost.
We hope that by offering new portraits that they can walk out of here with and immediately hang on their wall, that will remind them of the growth, the time of rebuilding, of renewal that follows the devastation of the fires.
It's making new memories. You can't replace the old memories, but you start over.
Reporting in Gatlinburg, China Green, Local 8 News.